Hey everyone, PDM Naseem here and welcome back to another cooking video. So in this cooking video, I will be teaching you how to make prawn biryani. Those are the stuff we are going to use and let's get into the video. Okay, so these are our ingredients. First we need, so you're going to need half teaspoon turmeric and a spoonful of pepper, half spoon of cumin and a full spoon of Kashmiri chili powder and a full teaspoon of coriander powder. And then we have cinnamon, Sri Lankan cinnamon with biryani leaves and some cloves over there. I have some cardamoms over there. Hold on, let me just, yep, right there. And that's ginger and garlic paste, and that's half teaspoon Himalayan salt. And over here I have a bunch of sliced tomato, sliced onion, lemons cut in half, and 3 chilies. These are non-spicy chilies. You know, you bite but you don't get spice, so these are like non-spicy. That's why we have 3 over here. If you like spicy, you can have like legitimate spicy chilies. And over here we have a bunch of mint leaves, and here over a bunch of coriander leaves. And here I have half kg of prawns, and over here I have yogurt. And here we have some fried onion. We will be using that at the end, not now. You have to add the garlic ginger paste for like and let it soak for like half an hour. And we have to also add Kashmiri chili powder. And now we have to like let it soak for 30 minutes. And turmeric and some coriander powder. And now we have to add some pepper, some salt, and some yogurt. Later you have to let it soak. Soak it with some olive oil. Now let it rest for 30 minutes. Okay, so now you have to heat the pan like after 30 minutes of letting the prawn soak, and you have to add coconut oil for like this rich flavor. And now add the prawns after the oil is heated. And now you have to boil the water for adding the rice. Alright. And now in the boiling water we have to add some cumin and the other spices which I have mentioned earlier. The cinnamon and the biryani leaves. We have added the cardamom. After letting the rice soak for 1 hour, now we should add it to the boiling water. Now we are separating the prawns after frying, and in the same pan which we fried the prawns, we have to add all the spices. We have to add these in that same pan and that. Now we are going to add ghee to that same pan. Yeah. And coconut oil. And now we have to add all that onion which I mentioned earlier. After adding onions, if you add salt, it'll cook faster. That is soins. I'm adding Himalayan pink salt. Leave the flames on full blast. After letting the onion, after frying the onion till it's like brownish, you have to add tomatoes. Okay, so if you add the coriander now, like while frying the onions, you will get a lot more flavor, and then the rest we will add later on. Corianders and mints. You gotta add now the ginger and garlic paste. And now you have to add the tomatoes, like crushing it and literally, like, you know, paste it in your hands. Literally squeeze it while adding it, so that you will get a lot more juice out of it. And now we gotta add the chilies. And now we have to add some yogurt, which I mentioned earlier. And now we have to add all the spices I mentioned earlier. And now you have to add the prawns which we fried just now. And now you have to squeeze the lemon and take its juice and now add it to the fry. Okay, after letting the rice boil for not fully, like just 75%, now we have to take a bigger pot and add ghee to it. You gotta spread the ghee all across. Yeah. Now you gotta add the rice with some coriander leaves. Hold on. Okay. It's very hot. And now you have to add the fried prawn we had. Now my mom is making layered one, which means like you gotta put the rice first and then some of the fried prawn and some of that onion, that fried onion, and we gotta add rice again on top of it, and again we gotta add this. Yeah. Now we gotta add rice. Now we gotta add rice on top of it in order to make it layered. After the layering is complete, you gotta close it, like completely close it, lock it, and keep it on low flames for 15 minutes. After 15 minutes, you can find the result. Okay, so it's been 15 minutes. We're about to open this. Wow, would you look at that? Yeah. Smells great. Wow. It's all layered. You see, some rice are white, some rice are really rich in the spices. Yeah, see. Well, like these layered types are actually better because they give equal taste. Okay guys, this is the final result. This is how it's supposed to look like after you cook it. Now I feel like I'm a bit hungry, so I'm gonna eat this. So thank you so much for watching. If you really did enjoy this video, please share it, like, and hit the subscribe button, because watching a YouTube video without subscribing is injurious to YouTubers. Eat healthy and eat tasty, and I'll see you in the next video. Adios.